In the 1950s, when India could win some matches in the Olympic, even once we had in the third position in the Olympic. India also were playing cricket, but
Yes.
not at such an height. But later on, after 30 or 40 or 50 years, now India is a big or one of the biggest powers in cricket.
Cricket, definitely.
But we are trailing behind and behind and behind. Actually, we are the toppers from the bottom in the football. Why this is so? The football has gone down where most of the people come from the common people.
Interested in football was in football.
But football has gone down and cricket has gone up. Why
Gone up,
this was so? What do you think?
Because possibly the guardians are keen on earning something. Cricket has got more money.
But that was later. You say after 1987.
They didn't know that when they send their boys to the cricket academy, they never thought of the actually what range they can play cricket. They didn't know all these things because guardians could not expect that when they have given to the cricket camp, they didn't know that he won't be a much better cricket player. With this expectation that they are expecting that he will be a cricket player. With that expectation, they have.
Is that the present day glamour of the cricket world attracts?
Definitely.
Why football couldn't catch up this glamour? In the Europe, we see this glamour is there.
Yes.
And the Latin America, the glamour is there with the football. But why not in India? Why not in the African countries?
Possibly, I can't say why, because it depends. But nowadays, still in the village, you find on the football game is that.
Is it that the football, is it one of the reasons that the football is a body contact game and any of the players or all the players are prone to injuries, and that is much more riskier than cricket?
Cricket and football, at the cause of injuries question, I think it is, if cricket injuries means very dangerous, because ball hits the brain, that's dangerous. Football never had been so much, dangerous in the child. Football, you see, in the body contact game, there is every moment there is a chance of getting injury. But cricket, occasionally that ball comes to head and got the injury, you see, that's chances only.
So is that one of the main reasons?
I think so.
I
think so. The injuries chances are less than football. Football, every moment you can get it.
How do you think that professionalism in Indian football, what AIFF rather, is declaring that from the coming year they're going to introduce total professional football league.
That very important part for much improvement of the game, I tell you.
But if there is any player like Shailen Manna who never takes a single penny from football, what will happen?
No, at the time there is no such a position, and more or less there at the time the guardians used to think that if you take money, dishonor for, you are not be honored person. You see,
So
if you
take money, then you are honored.
Take money means honored.
Introducing professional football in India, you were thinking that it will be a right step to the development of football.
Definitely right step.
But at the same time, what I must say, that the foreign players in all the teams in India, the foreign players are there and they are taking a major role. Like you see in this year's National League, Ronty Martin of Dempo Sports or Dudu are taking major roles for their teams.
Right.
But when Douglas got injury, East Bengal is going back and back. So they have taken the key role in their teams. So what's the development? What's the benefit for the Indian football then? It's not any Baichung Bhutia, it's not any Suresh, it's not any...
This is one man cannot...
but they are the one men in their team. One Ronty Martin, one Dudu or one Douglas, they can pay for or cannot pay for their team. They have become the key factors, but not any Indian player becoming the key factor. So how this professional football league can improve?
That's very difficult to say, because I do not know, because the people of the village, particularly guardians, they do not want their player to play football. And that's the greatest disadvantage we had, to bring new football players.
Do you think that the average quality of the footballers in your time and that of the present day footballers, average quality has gone down?
Yeah, actually, in our days, there was a much more difficult task to come to a top of the place in football.
Why?
Nowadays, at that time, football was not played so much in the districts. Football also one only game that is played in districts, not the cricket. But there is not much
Tournaments.
competition between cricket and football.
And tournaments were not so much in number.
Tournaments, cricket, there was no cricket tournament at that time.
The football tournaments were not so in number.
Football tournament was there in the village.
Football tournaments were there.
Yes.
So it was a very easy task for the footballers, the then footballers, to come up.
Actually,
They got the exposures.
Actually, Indian footballers, a committee of the members, those who have run the club, they can go to the village and see their performance and recruit the players.
Had you ever
They are doing it.
had you ever done this when you had been the selector or the football secretary of the Mohun Club? Have you ever gone to the villages?
I
chosen any player?
used to go.
You used to go.
I used to
Can
go.
you name any player that you have been chosen from remote
Not
village?
like that. That he has been a very big player like this. But there are some one or two players like that, you know.
Giving money with the football, giving money with the skill, giving money with the talent, it has become directly proportional. But in your time, it was the name and fame only that was directly proportional to your talent, to your skill, to your game.
Right.
What is better? Is that money should be given, or is that the only fame should be given?
Fame is definitely much more important than money. Fame is much more important to, at least I consider, the fame is much more important than the money. The people still nowadays, they knew Shailen Manna.
But one thing, Peter Thangaraj, that's a talented and stalwart
Yes,
goalkeeper. Now he is suffering from a tremendous financial crunch. Recently I have heard. So if the money could be given to the then players,
Right.
this state of financial crunch could not come. He could face it with his own ability. So why not money should be given to the players?
And that should be done. That should be given, the money, the club he played. They should come forward and help in the lot. But I don't know that Peter Thangaraj is under such a calamity. It was told. But I do not know whether it's true or not, I do not know.
Yes, I have read it, yes. Name, fame, everything is there. But when sponsorship had been introduced in the Indian football, we have seen a peculiar thing that the same sponsor is sponsoring the Mohun Bagan and the
Yes.
East Bengal class.
That's wrong.
That's wrong.
That's definitely wrong. Whom will you prefer? The sponsor means they have some preference. They give some preference to the club also.
But if the sponsor says that I prefer football and I prefer both East Bengal and Mohun, I like their development.
In that respect, they are right. They can do it. But
do you think that the long-standing that rift between these two clubs, whenever and wherever East Bengal and Mohun Bagan could meet. It became a prestige fight, that had been lost?
That has been lost. Definitely. That's lost.
Prestige is over.
Prestige is over. Prestige is a very important part.
We have been talking about Dhanraj, the tremendous striker of your time. Baichung Bhutia is claimed to be the best striker of the Indian football, at least at the present times. How do we compare these two players, Dhanraj and Baichung?
No, it is very difficult for me to compare, you see, because the people will be possibly the head. But how could Baichung with his height will be the best forward lines and considering Dhanraj? How Baichung is centre forward, he can score goal through head?
But with his tilt, with his tint, with his
It's
skills,
all right, but I tell you, the forward lines will get more balls on the height, not on the ground. They have to chip the ball. So you need a hit all the time.
But with the
So he
bicycles
got
of Baichung,
and you advantage, that is a accidental.
accidental you say?
Yes, you know, I have not watched my goal and I have kicked it. Did you know that whether it will go to the goal at all?
No, that cannot be claimed. But it's really tremendous for the opponents when any.
Tremendous for our opponent is difficult to control.
Yes.
It's difficult, but equally is a difficult job to score goal like this. It's a chance only.
But Baichung is a very skillful player, you know.
That with that
He can
height-
dribble with the ball. He can dribble 2 or 3 players
yes,
at a time.
Yes, that advantage he had. But this height is in the forward line. His height is very disadvantage.
So you were claiming that forwards should have a good height.
Good height.
The defenders
so
should
that
have a good
every
height.
forward nowadays in modern football, every forward must have head, must have know how to hit ball. Because along the ground, how many times your teams play with the along the ground? Most of the time they have a long passes from different area.
So you demand that forwards should have tremendous height. Stoppers.
Height
defenders should
and
have tremendous-
they must know the heading also, because the head is a much very important part for scoring a goal. Nowadays, defenders are so much closed to the opponent, they will get opponent will get no chance to go move. Only chance is if the defenders will love a ball, they can hit a ball. And now head to head, it is pass. They made pass on head.
So on the aerial balls, you think that the
More advantage to
forwards should have that advantage.
advantage. They are getting now.
And about the physique.
Physical necessary, definitely. Physics
You were
is
having- you were
absolute.
having a
Football. Football is always football game. Is needs tremendous physical and physical condition also. Physics means if I hit all ball, it's all right, but I do not know how to hit a ball. I do not know how to dribble the ball. I lose the advantage of my physics.
You have a very good physique. You are just 82 years old and you are stout. You always sit straight. You stand straight. How is possible?
You see, that is, I tell you honestly speaking, this question comes from many people.
Several corners.
I used to say that I maintain my actually the food very consciously.
Always.
Always. I take rice in one day,
Once in a week.
once in a week. Still now, or twice in a week. And the daytime, not in the night, not in the evening. I did not take rice in the evening.
You don't take tea even.
No, I don't take tea. Tea, that is immaterial. That is, I do not grow the habit. Why should I take tea? And they say tea means they will give more encouragement. I told them that I get less encouragement than you.
So food habit is a must.
That is very essential.
One thing.
The only thing, whatever necessary, you must see that you are very much good health. Good health means it's not that I've got a big tummy and all these things. Good health means you must have a good health. You can run, you can twist, you can jump, you can do all these things.
Adding doctors, adding nutritionists with the team had become a go of the day. Do you think that it is actually necessary?
It is necessary. Because if you want to, suppose a player got his injury, and whether he can play immediately or he can go to the outside of the match, the doctor will say. And now they are professional, you see. The doctor will definitely advise whether you continue or say better you take the rest. Doctors are always in the ground now, and that is must.
The clubs are having gymnasiums of their own.
That is necessary.
It's also necessary.
Very much necessary.
But in your time,
There
gymnasium
is
was
no
not
such.
there.
No
Doctors
such.
were not there.
That is, you see,
So what is the actual thing that you could have this stout and
now at
strong
the time
physique?
I see,
Is it yoga?
in the village, they have to walk for a longer period because they don't have that transport.
Miles after miles.
That is one. Two, you see, some of the people, they used to run in the village also. They used to run like this so that they can spend. But I can tell you nowadays, village people also are very conscious about to maintain their health. And most of the village, they have a healthy, we see these instruments and all these things. Gym.
Gym,
They have a gym.
multi-gym, all these are there.
All these things. And nowadays there is not much.
Had you ever been prone to yoga? Especially
I-
when you have been playing?
I never did it.
You
I
never
never
did
did
it?
it. I never knowing what is joke. Actually, we know joke means before starting the game, we sit together, 1 or 2 minutes, just concentrate our mind and go to the field.
That is meditation for the game.
Meditation for the game. That's all.
Who taught you this?
That is coach.
Who? Is this B.D. Chatterjee?
Bolaida was there. Bolaida actually is not a very agile coach, football coach, but Bolaida did many things for the Mohun players. He actually started this coaching system of the players, Bolaida.
Have you ever faced the agility or whatever you may say that you have been playing for Mohun Bagan throughout, and so the East Bengal supporters were always against you? Have you ever faced in your football career that agile East Bengal supporters who talked a lot?
No, I tell you, East Bengal supporters are not against me. Nowadays they love me. Wherever they meet.
Now they love you, but in your football career, it was in
Football career, of course.
40s and 50s. Had they ever told that Manna should go out, Manna should not do this?
They never.
They never.
Never said.
And dribble Manna, Dhanraj dribble Manna.
That they enjoy. That they enjoy, but never said that Manna should go out.
It's not that.
Not that. That's why I told you I got the support of the East Bengal supporters also. They never said that Manna go out. Never said.
Playing football in the present day world, especially with the competitions from the other professional trades of the sports and games, in America and Europe, basketball is there. Cricket has taken a major part, and similarly other trades of athletics is also there. Playing a football or becoming a footballer or having a football career, making a football career in the present world has become really tough.
Very tough.
Then, to a child or to its guardian, what would you suggest as a sportsman, not only as a footballer, as a sportsman of the past? What would you suggest that what the child should do and what the guardians should do for him or her?
That's very difficult to say because it is needs the preference of the guardian. Actually, the guardian, if they want that his player will play hockey or his sons or children will play cricket or football, it depends on them practically. But guardians go on the majority people which game they love it. Nowadays, there are so many guardians are going with their sons with the bat in their and go to the field, go to the camp.
So all of them are trying to become Sachin, Saurav or Rahul.
Yes, there are a lot of.
How do you feel with Saurav?
I love Saurav very much, and Saurav also, he gives the most important honor also. He always told me in the Manada, and whenever I go to the function and all this, he used to come and say, Manada, please come. And that's a great honor from Saurav. I told many places.
And one thing you do, how do you feel that when Saurav says that if I had not been a cricketer, I must be a footballer?
Footballer.
So how do you feel it?
I feel it is a very encouragement to the football players and football organizers.
But they don't take that encouragement.
That's true. How they will take it, it depends.
Managing a football team on the present day world, as we see on the case of the European teams especially. I'd like to give you the example of Sir Alex Ferguson. He is being told not as a coach, but the manager of Manchester United. Manager
has I think, is a lot of responsibility than coach. Because sometimes, the coach also has get a suggestion from the manager. And actually, he will control the full team. The manager job is there. So I give more importance to the manager. Even manager can give a suggestion to the coach. Manager is a great job.
So he's an all-round personality.
Yeah, not like us. Our manager did not play football. He is a manager of the team.
It's not that so. No, yes, certainly. If a real professional setup comes into India, real professional setup, but you find the footballers with skill, the footballers with physique, the footballers with achievements, but the footballers without hearts, without sentiments, without passion, do you accept the system?
I don't think
you will be able to accept.
You
won't be able to accept.
I won't be able to accept it.
So what you actually, I must not say demand, but what you actually aspire for If Indian football must go for a change, a positive development, what should it be? What should be the way?
It's a very difficult task for me to say nowadays, as the teams are moving in that way. It is very difficult. I told them that it's very necessary to have the coaching scheme, and the from 14 and 15 years old boys should be kept under their full control of the clubs. Their study also must continue. They must continue their study, because if they can't play football, better football, so they must see their, and guardians also will not give any objection if they are going to the schools also. The coaching camp means they actually stay in one place. The big area. What the England people, they do it, because they have a big area for the coaching.
So is it
camp.
necessary then to come out from this middle class concept that studying can be the only aim of the life, to become an engineer or a doctor or a lawyer? Should we come out from this vision or concept?
No, I knew that study is necessary. That is necessary. You see, unless you give a little bit higher study, you can't have a other thing also, because you must have to learn English. You have to. So naturally you have to study something. So then you can join, or you can do, you can tell something about it.
If you're now requested by AIFF to give your invaluable advice for the betterment of the Indian football, what advice you will give?
Actually, I'll definitely tell them that they should go to the villages and start some coaching camp in the village. Because why should I tell you this thing? Because the boys comes from a young age. Guardian is not allowed to go outside, and they have to go to our study also. So in that way, they could try. So you can bring a player like this.
But it requires a long
time and the money also.
Time and money.
Both involved.
Both involved.
And that's the difficulty. I do not know how far they will be able to do it.
Coaching. Now it has gained a tremendous height, especially in terms of popularity. I must tell you that, and you know better, that Subhash Bhomik or Subrata Bhattacharya or Sukhbinder Singh,
yes,
they are not lesser reputed or popular than their players. Similar was the case with Amol Datta or P.K. Banerjee or Arun Ghosh, even Naimuddin.
Yeah.
So, for the coaches, do you have any advice? Present day coaches.
I don't like to give any advice to them, because it will be published, and I don't like it.
But as you feel the players, I've heard from some senior players that they have been attracted with the personality of Mannada. As Mannada is there as the football secretary or the secretary of the Mohun Bagan Club. So in many cases, they were there, or they like to forget any dispute, debate, etc. So as you always been a man of the footballers, don't you think that you may have some advice or tips even for the present day coaches, that to become the footballer's man is necessary? Obviously Subrata Bhattacharya and Subhash Bhomik, they have already become the coach of the footballers. But this is the main tip for the coaches. Do you think so? To gain their confidence, to gain their trust.
In this respect, I do not want to say anything about it, because whatever you say, it will go either in their favor or then against. You see, that's why I kept myself completely out of this.
I'd like to go to the other side. By this time, we have been rightly, properly honored by the AIFF as the best footballer of the century, the last century of the Indian history. We had been given with some other government and non-government honors and awards also. All these have added a lot to your prestige, to your existence. Do you think that all the footballers and all the sportsmen even be given with such honors from the public, from their countrymen, they should be given? as you have been given?
I expect there are some players must give this honor.
They should give the honor.
They said the honor.
And do you think that it is actually the whole country pays their respect to you?
Definitely, otherwise the All India Football Federation, you see, how do they bring all these prizes to me? Because it's All India basis.
Have you ever been met with any of our premiers or presidents as footballer or ex-footballer? Like Jawaharlal Nehru?
Yes,
Like
I met
Gandhi.
it. Yes, I met in Delhi. They are giving a reception there.
And perhaps that was in Asian Games.
Asian
Yes,
Games,
Mr. Nehru was there with
yes, yes.
mm,
Indira Gandhi.
with Indira.
Gandhi.
Yes. And they had seen your football.
Yes, yes.
And we have clinched that trophy.
You
that
have
time.
clinched the trophy.
And were you the captain then?
And yes, I was the captain.
You was the captain then?
yeah.
Okay. You are the captain. So, what he said?
No, he just embarrassed me, like
Yes, sir.
this. Yes,
Is it?
yes. That's a great honor. I told in the press also
Yes.
that I've got that honor. And Indira Gandhi also, we see his daughter.
Mhm.
He came with the father.
Your office, GSI, and your ex-colleagues, obviously ex-colleagues as you have been retired, what were their feelings of you?
Difficult to say because very few, you see, is in touch with the football or myself because they are all from outside, mostly from outside. So I can't say in this respect. GSI employees, ex-employees in Bengal, there is none. There was none possibly in our days.
In your days.
In our days.
But you played for your GSI office
Yes,
club also.
of course. Then at that period, Dr. West was the director, head of the department. Dr. West.
Did you have any personal contact with him for your football?
Sometimes when I've been to London, he helped me a lot over there because he's from England. He comes to know that I came to London for a coaching training and all this. He helped me a lot.
They have helped you. Reporting from that very time and the present age, do you find that is there any change?
There is.
Biological changes?
Lot of changes nowadays, you see. Because previously, actually, they give not so much importance to the football games and the press, all these things. So naturally, nowadays, they are taking more interest in football also.
And do you think that the present day reporters are much more technically equipped than the earlier ones? Is it so?
Technically, it is very difficult to say.
It's very difficult to say. An autobiography of yours has been written by Manoj Chakraborty, who is a famous sports journalist of the present times. How would you feel at that time when Manoj approached you? Manoj started writing, collected the information.
Yeah, Manoj actually asked my wife, not me, যে বৌদি আপনাদেরকে এরকম একটা করছি, প্লিজ তুমি একটা পারবে না, জানে বৌদিকে না করবে না তো বলতো না, সেই জন্য.
So Manoj actually approached your wife. Was it actually that she is a hard tackler?
No, that's true.
That's true.
That's true. 100%.
She is a hard tackler than you.
That's true.
And if Bodhi hears this, that you are telling that she is a hard tackler than you. Anyway, what were your feelings when that biography was published?
It was really, I enjoyed it, no doubt about it. And more so, what I feel, that the village people will come to know my history, life history, and they should be encouraged with this. A player, junior player, comes from such a you see, family, such countries, such states. So they will be encouraged.
Apart from football, apart from sports and games, we find you in many other social events. When you sign to a statement,
Yes.
you give your opinion or give your favorite comments to do or not to do something in some social crises, in some social case of social justice or in injustices. So you have now become, obviously you have become for long days, but you have become a wholesome personality of the Indian society. Do you think that it is the ultimate what you can deserve?
No, that I never felt it. I felt always that I am lucky that people still love me. And that source of, you see, this paper published and all this, it comes from the love, you see. A person, they love me, that's why they used to do all
But they
these things.
admire you also.
Admire,
Not only
admire.
loving, it's also admiration.
Admire also,
They
because
feel that
it-
if your presence,
It comes to, definitely.
if there is any social crisis,
Yes.
then any newspaper or any organization, if they go for it, solving the crisis or meet the crisis or face the crisis, they take your signature and publish your name. I have seen in many cases that you are among the toppers of the list. In those cases, in the list, you are among the toppers. First one or two names, then Shailen Manna. In some cases, you are number one. Shailen Manna. This is a wholesome social personality. Shailen Manna is not only an ex-footballer, is not only a legendary personality in the sports and games.
That's a very important part, I tell you. Whenever they published my name in this respect, actually the people of this locality, they used to admire. They used to admire,
Locality
tell
means
me.
Bengal.
Particularly in Bengal, because they actually praise from Nanda Vajaputra and all these they published. So they used to phone me from this part of their.
This is going to be done, and are you with us?
They are very happy with that.
And you always say, yes, I'm
yes,
with you.
yes, definitely. I agree with you.
How do you like it? Being everywhere, almost everywhere. You were seen with very little tournament of football. You were the chief guest there, we're giving prizes. In a big tournament, in some other big occasions, functions, etc. Small
even-
to big,
even-
all stretches, you were there.
Even I tell you, I prefer to go to the villages and to the children than to a big places and all these things.
Why?
Because I love, because they have, you see, senior means they have nothing to do anything. They can't do anything improvement also, but they do it. They can do it because they are now school boys and all this.
Is that all or everything that you have got from football?
That's true.
You are now at 82,
81.
81 plus.
1924, 1st September, I was born.
Oh, 81, yes.
81.
So you are now at 81. May the God wish that you live long and longer. In the rest of the times to come, in the rest of the days to come, what do? You do like to do, and what do you like to have?
I do not expect anything to get it from anything from the
From
government.
anyone?
No, I did
Don't
not.
expect anything from
No,
anyone.
nothing else. Only I want that my daughter must alive, and otherwise my wife is quite aged also, and see
So you are totally dependent on your daughter.
daughters.
Has she ever played
And
any games?
and he also wife also helped me a lot. I tell you,
But has your daughter played any games, sports and games?
she used to.
She used to.
Yeah.
Sure.
She started playing badminton,
And
but she is not in mind of taking any sports. I tried, but she is not up that way, and she is getting more fat now. But in her young days, she was very good-looking girl, I say.
So with your wife, with your daughter, and I've gone to your home also, your very little quarter. I've seen the prizes, the honors, the medals. I was really charmed of seeing these. With all these, do you think that it's enough and enough and
I
enough?
thought, because I did not expect anything more. In my life.
Anything more?
More in my life. That's
But
enough.
is it? Is
Only
it?
thing is, I am very happy. Yeah, my daughter is with me, and of course, she is not married. I am very happy also he is not married because I have now son. At least he looks after me.
But if she marries, you will get a son. Maybe in-law, but you will get a son. Then you will have a daughter and a son
That's
too.
a chance.
There is a chance too. Anyway,
But even after marriage, you will find many things. See, after marriage, my daughter also did not give so much importance to her father.
maybe.
Maybe. There is chance
So
of-
you like to have your daughter with you.
That's right. I become a little bit selfish in that respect.
You are selfish. What do you like to see in the coming days? In the coming days, Bengal, in the coming days, India, what do you like to see? Not only in the world of sports and games, generally, overall. What do you like to see?
India.
India, Bengal, whatever it may be? What you
Well,
like
I mean,
to see?
say boys are must be educated first, and then they can have some games. I think not only football, cricket, hockey, anything like that. It's like that.
And India, how do you like to see India?
India, I also want India should be champion of the football and cricket also. Cricket also India is very
But that is the area of the sports and games. Sania Mirza is there, Bobby George is there, Bikram Rathore is there. I must admit, but that is in the case of the sports and games. What I like to say, generally, overall, how do you like to see India? The day, that is the dream, that the day shall come when India shall become number one in the world.
No,
Is that anything?
No, that is one that in that respect we can say that these teams actually in the games they would bring their country to the top. That is more expected. In the hockey, if India gets a champion, there will be a great name for India. In cricket also. So I used to love all these things in sports.
You like to see all these things. Any advice for the children and the youth of these times?
No, advice means I give to the students that they should go for a study first.
Study first. Second?
Second, then they go for sports, any sports.
Third, against studies. Fourth, against games.
Against games.
So studies and games.
Yes, studies and games.
These two must be there.
They must be there. Because study means that nowadays football also, if you play football, you can get a good job. You can get a very good amount of money if you can reach to that certain stage.
Do you believe in God?
I believe very much.
How do you believe?
Believe in God in different way. You know, I keep my Kali
photo with you in your pocket.
All the time. Only I leave this photo when I play football. I don't keep it in the jersey.
Is it your habit for the last 50 or 60 years?
Yes.
So you always keep this photo
from playing football. When I started playing football,
do
I knew that this mother helped me a lot for developing my career.
The source of your energy.
Energy, football and job also.
Being a citizen of secular India, how do you visualize this tent towards Mother Kali?
I do not know how to say, but I always see the Mother Kali. Very much.
But at the same time, you are...
I find in every district, they wear Mother Kali very much.
But I must say, there are people for other beliefs. Even some people are there who don't believe in any God.
Any God, yes. There are.
How do you coexist with them? If any person comes.
He
or she never believes in
I
God.
do not bother for all these things. I said, let him go to his own way. Why should I bother for it? If he does not love or if he does not respect anything, it's all right. What does it matter to me?
Being a total personality of this era, how do you see the society as it is going on? Is it good or is it bad?
Nowadays, I'm happy also, no doubt about it, but there are something to be improved about the society, I can say.
And is there something that had been deteriorated from your times?
No, not that.
Values?
Not that. Values also is much more values nowadays.
Developed?
Definitely. Even in the village, people nowadays, they are spending money for the games, which was not there.
Do you like to go with the slogan, Mera Bharat Mahan?
Yes, that is must.
Mera Bharat Mahan.
Definitely, Mera Bharat. I got everything from India.
Are you really proud of being Indian?
Yes, certainly.
Don't you ever think that if you had been in Europe, in England, in France...
No. Only for a study if I go, in the coaching training, I used to say this is very good coaching system there.
But being player even, if you had been not Shailen Manna rather than Shailen Robertson...
No, I am very happy with my own country and own provinces, own villages and own people. I am very happy.
You are very happy. You are proud of them.
Very happy and proud, yes, of course.
Are you also really proud of the Indian culture, traditions, history?
Definitely, because I was in India, I must appreciate our culture. Definitely, it is there. Even I tell you that the other countries also following the Indian culture also. There are a lot of things. So that there will be no such a thing that will be unhappy with the Indian culture.
This is 2005. This is just after 45 years that you bid adieu to football. But still, you are number one sports personality in India. This has given you a lot, and you say it's enough.
And it's right.
But if we, from this generation, say there's still something much more to be given to our Sailen Manna.
What is much more? I do not know.
Suppose if the government of India thinks that this Bharat Ratna should be given awarded to you,
And that will be very happy. No doubt about it. If I get it, I'll definitely accept it, and I'll definitely say the Bharat government give me a great honor. No doubt about it.
so is there actually any gap between what you have got and you
No,
make?
actually I tell you, I am very happy with my own performance, with my own subject, which I am having now. It's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right.
What do you like to say to the general audience, especially you who will listen to this interview later on?
Only thing is, they should send their children to the schools and colleges. The first thing, and they must attend the sports thing also. That's two thing I will always feel necessary for the our generation gaps and all this.
I must say that it's our gratitude to you from the All India Radio that you have come to us. We have given the interview for our archives, and you have talked a lot for long. I think for all the subjects, all the traits of the life.
Thank you for this.